E equals mc squared. 4 to the better decimal. 8 to 7 alpha. Xerox 9. Oh, I can't get this. The code is clear in the path of... Whoa! Hold on. Hi. Well, welcome to my laboratory. This is where we put together the different projects that we are, working on. Right now, I'm working on a hypothetical mathematical equation based on pi. And the program that I'm running will be put together eventually. But after I drink lots of coffee and take several naps, then finally I will come to the belief system that we must ordain these things in mathematical principles beyond an intellect of subordinates within the space-time continuum. I'm working on a way to travel through time in the space-time continuum by bending the theoretical factors of light and causing the uranium atom to explode in an atomic level, thus creating the energy force and the energy that I need to drift off into a different dimensional space of time. It's like you take a Lego and you put it at the end of the pillar. Well, if you want the Lego to go from A to Z, you have to warp it and contort it and bend it through the spaces of light, and then once it's bended and contorted so that it becomes as small as a grain of sand, then you can shoot it through a different dimension into a portal that opens up. And when the portal opens up, the different dimension bends the space and time like an hourglass and sends the Lego soaring into the future. And then you compact it and contort it the opposite way and bend the light around the Lego and send it at light speed into the back of the present is no longer void. So then when the Lego bends and contorts and smushes together and becomes as small as a grain of sand, you send it the opposite direction through the space-time continuum into a portal that opens up from the atomic combustion of the uranium atom that explodes within the energy fields of perspective theology and causes the Lego to get small as a grain of sand, and then you can shoot it through the opposite way through the portal and have it go back in time. Well, I'm working on the mathematical equations of the hypothetical statements from which the Lego spins at a catastrophic rate like a tornado, and as it spins, it opens and spins, and light bends, and then it contorts, and then it goes forward through time, or it spins the opposite way. It starts spinning the opposite way, or it spins this way, or it spins that way, and as it spins faster and faster, it contorts, it gets smaller, and as it gets smaller, it opens up a portal in the space-time continuum, and the Lego spins and slings through the light force that it creates, opening up a wormhole or a black hole within itself, imploding itself and squeezing itself into the size of a grain of sand. And that's what I'm working on. Thank you very much. And when my theories in reality have come together with the science and physics to back up my findings, I will send the Lego forward and backward through time. At first, I'm going to send it forward an hour, and then I'm going to send it backwards an hour. And I'm going to see the difference. I'm going to put a little clock on it, and as it goes to forward through time, I'm going to check the clock to see where it's been. And as it goes backwards through time, then I'm going to check the clock to see what time has transpired for the Lego, and that's what I'm gonna do.